Thank you for joining us for another PhoneSavvy.com application review. Today we'll be reviewing a very exciting application that I recently found on the Play Store, even though it has a lot of reviews and downloads. Very popular app called Flipagram, and I haven't heard much about it. I think it's kind of a hidden gem on the Play Store. It's very user-friendly and it has enormous benefit. Make sure you download it. It's available on the Play Store of all Android smartphones. Just visit the Play Store. It's by Flipagram Inc. And it allows you to create a little movie for the photos that you have on your smartphone. You can even add background music that it will play while it goes through your photos that you select. And like I said, it's very easy to use. You can create one in less than a minute. Let me show you how the application works. When you bring up the application for the first time, it does give you an option to view what other Flipagram users have put together, so you can get some ideas of how you want to go about it. But when you're ready and you want to create your own, just hit the Start option, and then it will ask you to go to your gallery, and this is where you can pick out the photos that you want to use for this Flipagram. So just select the folder that you want to choose from, and then select the photos that you want to add. It'll create a blue border around the photos that you select, and you can go through and select as many as you want. When you're done, just hit the check mark in the top right corner, and then it will take you to this screen. If you want to add more, you can, and then you can modify the photos with the options over here. If there's a certain one that you want to zoom in or out on, just go ahead and select it. It'll create a blue border around that, and then hit this option right here, and then you can use the pinch to zoom to go ahead and zoom in, and then hit the check mark in the top right corner. That'll go ahead and modify that photo. This option right here allows you to duplicate that photo and add it into this Flipagram. So if you hit this, it'll go ahead and add another one of those. And then we can go ahead and hit the over button to start adding background music and a couple more modifications. You can also preview it from here. If you want to go ahead and play it, it'll show you that it has 10 photos that it's going to play in 15 seconds. Very easy to add music. Just hit the add music option, and then it will take you into the different applications on your smartphone where music is kept. Just go ahead and select the song that you want to add, and for example, I'm just going to add one real quick and hit the OK button right here. And then there's some other options. You can add a title to this. You can modify the watermark if you'd like. That involves the Pro version for $1.99. Then you can title it whatever you want so that it doesn't say Flipagram right here. And then to preview it, just hit the Start option and it will play. So there's a little preview of what I put together, and when I'm all done, I can just hit the check mark in the top right corner, and it'll ask me if I want to finalize. Just go ahead and hit yes. It takes a little time to finalize your Flipagram, but then you can find it in your gallery, and you can also find it on the entrance screen when you come into the application. It'll be down below where you can also go and view other Flipagram creations by other people. So, like I said, very simple and very quick application. If you have a phone with an HDMI port, excellent for weddings, birthdays, whatever you want. Make sure you download Flipagram, and also visit PhoneSavvy.com to find more great applications like this that you can get on your Android smartphone.